MC Kayaking. Welcome to part 2 of this prijon restoration project that I'm doing, or attempted restoration project. Right, so where are we at? So last time we were here, we were heat treating the hull, trying to bring the colour back, you know. So this time there's no much I can do at all. Really nothing I can do. The weather's just been horrendous. It's been showers on and off. So basically I've flipped the kayak round, got it in the upright position. I'll just show you what we've got. I mean, you can probably see it behind me here. Right, that's what we've got. I'll give you a wee quick bout of stern on it, and I'll give you a wee run through of what's what, but there's not much I've been able to do the day. Like I say, in between showers I was wanting to heat treat the top, get the colour back on it, but it's not happening. So I'll just show you a wee run through and we'll pick up from where we left off next chance I get. So here's the boat and how it looks. Good solid grab handles. Decals are going to need redone. Solid, I mean everything on this kayak is solid. Front hatch cover is broken at the back here. This is the one that's getting replaced. I'm not too sold on the couplings. I've actually got new webbing and I've got new clips, fasteners, inch thick. So I'm looking at replacing them. I'll maybe actually keep this webbing. The webbing looks good, and just replace the fasteners. You take the tape off. Now you come back to here. Prijon decal, front cockpit covered because it's raining. Middle section, go back to the front of the cockpit. This is a section here that had the webbing on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put bungee from here, across to here, across to here, do a crisscross bungee. And maybe even take it down to here. Maybe take it down to here, somehow work it across. I might not. And then when we get back to the middle section here, I'll be putting bungee on that, across to the other side, crisscross it, across, down. You can see the crisscross design, and across there. That's the sort of bungee design that I'm going to have. Same at the front here, we'll go across to here, to here, to here. So you've got some sort of crisscross bungee. Right, we've got, I was looking for high vis grab lines. You don't get it at 5mm. I think this is like 3mm. It's definitely not the 5mm stuff. I want everything robust, so if I might just get black. And also here I maybe put a wee paddle part. I'm going to put one at the other side as well. There's the back hatch. Back hatch is gubbed. Look at that. That's getting swapped out. That's getting replaced. That's tied on. That'll need to get replaced and sewn in. This is looking alright, but I'm going to replace these like I say. That's looking alright. See how they're sewn in. So, ladder controls. That gudgeon at the back, like I explained to you yesterday, last time. The gudgeon and a rusty R-clip. I'm not wanting to take that out. I'm going to get a couple of R-clips anyway, so you can just see that in there. Get galvanised ones, get it. So it's hang with rudder line, rudder controls, decals needing touched up, excursion. Back down this side there's that where it's tied on, that's going to need to get replaced and get sewn back into place. Rudder controls, front cockpit covers. Now between here and this I'm going to wrap a bit of bungee elastic. I'm going to put a J-hook just above the prijon at the middle of here. Now the idea with me doing that is it creates a paddle park for the passenger. Sort of in there, you put your paddle through it. Right, let's get a look at inside the main cockpit. There's another reason I don't want to heat treat this yet, the top side, because it is absolutely filthy in there. Look at that. Very nice of them to... Oh, it's not there, it's this side. Look at the back of the seat. And the same there. Very nice of the previous owners to clean that out for me. So... the seat just slots in there. You can adjust it. You want it back or pull it forward. Locks into place, it's like a cleat. That bungee is short and then a fucking spider in there. So this is needed cleaned out. Anyway, that was a look at the front, a look around the kayak anyway. Like I say, I've got nothing to, not been able to do anything. I'm awaiting parts anyway, but first things first, I want to get the top section. There's no much heat treatment needing done. It's looking pretty good. I've got it all right up to the top. I've done the front and the sides. There's a wee bit needing done, but the kayak I can get away with looking how it looks just now. It looks actually not too bad. I'll go over it with the heat gun anyway, just to bring some life back into it. Then I'll start adding everything. Like I say, everything's going to need replaced anyway. I've also bought a handle for this back section here. See between here. Because when the rudder's on, it sits across here. It makes this handle hard to access, so if I can get something to carry it with for here, I'll just bolt it in, a couple of washers behind it, I can get access to that. Now, see when I'm replacing this gudgeon at the back here, I'm obviously going to have to go in through that and reach to the back. Now my arm isn't long enough, so I'm going to need some sort of long reach tool to get in there. But that's all things to think about in the future. Right now, there's nothing I can do today. So just a wee look at the kayak and what we've got so far. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.